Hi, everyone. Welcome to MOV Leaders, a podcast where we celebrate women leaders. Wish you all happy Women's Day. When the Women's Day around the corner, if you remember in the past, when we launched the MOV Leaders in the episode 0, I have mentioned this is a special community for women leaders to get celebrated, and they are here to share their thoughts, insights, and we are there to learn from each other. It's just 4 episodes now, but there's an overwhelming response from all of you. I sincerely wanted to thank all our guests and the audiences for the same. And of course, the Gush team for making it a great success, and they are the behind the scenes. In fact, I wanted to introduce you to a very special woman who contributes very much to this show. That is Anusha. Anusha is a very inspiring, young, upcoming woman leader in the workspace. When I see her, I always used to think that how enthusiastic she is and how many women out there are want to be like this and want to do a lot of contribution like this. But are we really having the diverse workforce as we speak? Not sure. Because today the numbers are not saying so. Still, the diversity and inclusions are in paper, but are it get practiced? When we spoke to Angelica in the first episode, a pass-by statement by her stuck with me for long. She was saying diversity and inclusivity should not be a tick mark exercise. It should be practiced, it should be implemented. That's so true, right? In many workplaces, we are there is a policy for diversity, there is a policy for inclusion. Are we practicing it? This is a forum where all the women leaders are coming together and we are sharing our challenges and vision for having a diversified and bias free workplace. I am sure this will fast track the process, and this is a small step towards that. In our last 4 episodes, we discussed various niche topics like women in startup, women in tech, women in sales and marketing, and many more. And we are going to have a very interesting guest lineups where we are going to talk about the product field, tech field, marketing field, sales field, and many more. And we will keep addressing the niche issues people are facing in the workplace. Coming back to the episodes of MOV Leaders. In the episode 1, when we discussed with Angelica Reyes, we discussed the global challenges of women in workplace. She was even mentioning how she got treated when she was back from her maternity leave. She was demoted from managerial position. It was a pure discrimination, feeling that women cannot perform their duties if they are going in family way. There is a statistics which says 69% of women in APAC feel they have been discriminated because of their family responsibilities, which is very unfair, right? And in the second episode, Nidhi shared a similar experience. For people who are taking career breaks, how they are losing their self confidence, how today we are not having a learning environment where women can come and catch up what they lost in the career break. Instead, it has been perceived that they will not be able to come back and perform a leadership role. She shared her own inspirational story, how the friendly workplace made her to take a career break, come and weaved her own success path. The vision is to make that workplace everywhere for women to come back from career break and achieve what they meant to be. In the episode 3, we had Nivedita. We intensely discussed about women in tech, how still the tech industry is men's world. There is a statistics which says 22% or 1 in every 5 women feel that they are being highly discriminated and they are not being promoted, and it is getting delayed over men. And there is a pure bias of growth path for men over women because it has been perceived that women will not be able to travel or be in field, or because of their family responsibilities they will not be able to socialize, and many more biases and discrimination are there and going on. Also, in the episode 4, Yashashree was enthusiastically sharing about her growth trajectory and how startup is helping women leaders. But again, the statistics says otherwise. 22% of women are only there in the startup community, which is a very, very sad state. And in fact, only 5.9% are co founders or founders who drive the organization, which is a very lower percentage. All this number speaks for itself. Still, we are in a long way to go and get the bias free, diversified work culture for women, and then only more women leaders will come in place. As mentioned, this is a platform where we all are coming together to make that small step to give that workplace environment for women. The Women's Day around the corner. You will all be bombarded with so many videos, campaigns, and many more, right? But these all issues are not going to get sorted in one day of discussion or 1 week of celebration. Rather, it has to be a continuous, ongoing process. MOV Leaders is such a platform for all the women out there, for you to come, celebrate each other, learn from each other. If you feel you are a leader, please come to our platform. Feel free to connect because it's an open community where we wanted to gap the gender bias. Let's come together and do that. And I will meet you with interesting line of speakers in the coming weeks. Thank you. Until I see you with one another exciting guest next week. This is Cynthia Balasingh signing off from you all. Once again, happy Women's Day. Let's make every day a day for women to be celebrated. Thank you.